In this video, we will be sewing this beautiful purse. It's a very easy purse to sew. It has a triangle side and also it has a zipper. And at the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you tips on how to make this purse in a larger quantity faster for those who will be sewing this purse as a souvenir. Do well to watch this video to the very end. This is Lolly's Bag YouTube channel where we release video on bag making, purse making, and tips to make the process of your bag making easy. So if you are new here, click on the subscribe button on your screen to get videos from us. So let's get started. So the length of the purse is 12 inches, and the breadth is 6.5. Also the side of our purse for the breadth is 2.5 inches, and for the length is 4 inches. We'll be having two sides, and then we have a little strap. So the breadth is half inch, it's just half inch, and the length is 5. So what we'll be doing now is to shape the side. As you can see, the side is like a shape, like a triangle. So for us to do that, we get the middle of the side, 2.5. The middle is 1 inch and 2 lines. Just in case you don't know how to read your tape, I have a video in the description box. So what we'll be doing next is that we shape the side from the middle downward. And we cut. So we're doing the same thing for the other side. We mark the middle, which is 1 inch and 2 lines, and then we rule it this way. And after that, we shape it. So we get the middle and give it a little notch. Same thing with the other side. Give it a little notch. So for the body of our purse, the first thing we'll be doing is to fix our zipper. So we sew it like this. Next, we top stitch it so it looks very neat. Next, we'll be sewing the other side to the zip. So now we top stitch it also so it can look very neat. You measure 1 inch and then we'll place and just the strap. So we zip it back. Cut out the excess zip, and next we notch down part of our purse to get the middle. We place the two notched parts together, that of the side and the purse, and then we sew. I have a video on how to sew leather with your own sewing machine, the needle size, the type of thread and all that. It's linked in my description box. So this purse is a very easy purse. You have to be mindful of the side when sewing. So now I will trim out the excess, and when sewing this other side, if you notice, our side did not get to the zip. So when sewing this other part, we start sewing from the zip. We start sewing from the zip to cover up the space. So it's just part of the design. If you have any question, if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section. And if you know this video is being helpful, give me a thumbs up. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, just click that red thing you are seeing on your screen. Just tap on it so you can always get notified when I release helpful videos like this one. So we're sewing the other side. We place the two notched plates together just as we did for the first side, and then we sew. So this is what the triangle look like. So easy. So this is how it looks, looking so pretty. You can customize it, put on your sticker, your logo, or anything you wish, and you can use a different size, make it bigger, smaller, anything. At the beginning of this video, I promised to share a tip that will make you sew this purse in a larger quantity faster. So this is it. When you're sewing this purse in a larger quantity and you want to sew it faster, you should dedicate a time in cutting the materials. So don't make the mistake of cutting and sewing. That will consume much of your time. So you make sure you finish cutting all the pieces of the purse you want to sew, and after that you can start sewing. This way it will enable you to sew your purse faster. I hope this was helpful. If you are new here, click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave a lovely comment in the comment section. See you in my next video.